draw a little bird, so sweet, with tiny wings and dancing feet. Flap, clap up, so high, a chirpy friend flying by. Did you know, sparrows are tiny but super fast. They can fly up to 24 miles per hour.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Kids Knowledge Club.
First we draw the eyes, so round, shining bright, looking around. Blink, blink, so much fun, a happy bird for everyone. Did you know, sparrows can see more colors than humans? Little bird, fly so high, through the clouds, touch the sky. Flap your wings and sing along. Tweet, tweet, let's draw strong. Like this video and share it with your friends. Now we draw the fluffy face, with soft feathers full of grace. A tiny beak, yellow and bright, tweeting songs from morning light. Did you know, sparrows can talk to each other using over 20 different sounds? Little bird, fly so high, through the clouds, touch the sky. Flap your wings and sing along. Tweet, tweet, let's draw strong.
Make sure to subscribe for more fun drawings.
Time for wings, so big and wide, flapping, flapping, side to side. Tiny claws, strong and neat,
Helping birds land on their feet.
did you know, sparrows love to dance when they look for food. Now we color make it shine, blue and white, looking fine. Orange feet and feather tips, a masterpiece at our fingertips. Now hit that like button if you're having fun. Our cute bird is almost done. Drawing and coloring is so much fun. Stay with us, learn and play, more surprises on the way. Did you know, some sparrows can live for more than 10 years? Tweet, tweet, wave goodbye. See you soon, don't be shy. Like, subscribe, stay and play, more cute drawings on the way. Subscribe.